Hi, thanks for stopping by and seeing my clip here. And as a thank you, I have a free ebook. So like, subscribe and download the free ebook on how to get started with filming. Now there's lots of people out there who just don't know where to start, too scared to start, and this will cover those topics. And, if you look at the content page right here, it shows all the steps you need. I'll talk about why you're doing it, the equipment you need, which is so very simple. You need the lighting, the sound, editing, and you can just use such basic, simple equipment. In fact, I'm using very simple stuff at the moment. And also the psychology behind it, because that is such a major factor. It's just getting there and starting to do it. I know so many people that just get there and then they don't know what to do in front of the camera. Or a lot of people see themselves on camera and hate themselves. Or they're just too scared for one reason or another why they can't do it. So get the book and you'll find out a bit more on filming, and just follow me and like me, subscribe, and I'll be loading up more clips on better filming, so things to make your clips a bit more interesting as well. And follow me while I go on a few journeys. I'll be doing my photography and filming on different places and where I go, things that happen. So follow me and like me, and I'll see you soon.